Hello. Today I'm going to be showing you what GoPro setup I have on my dirt bike helmet. So let's jump right in. For the helmet, I'm using a Fly Racing Elite. And for the GoPro, I am using a GoPro Hero 6 Black. So I've been using the Hero 6 Black since I started doing the dirt biking videos. So yeah, let's get into it. So at first I was using this chin mount. It would be great if I was trying to do tutorials on like how to use a clutch and the throttle and all that, but because it was pointed so much down, I'll roll a clip of that in. It's not a very good view. So I tried a one up on the top of my helmet. I tried to put one back up here, but there's a ridge right there, so I had to put it on the visor. That's not a very good place because it's not a very good view either. I'll roll a clip of that in too. So then I tried a side mount. That fell off. It was a great view, but it fell off. I'll roll the clip of that in. And then I am now using, I think I've only used this once in my videos. It's an amazing view. It doesn't really go into my my helmet view, but it's a good view, and it's hanging down here. So for this, I'm using the 6 Black, and I put it in this housing with this long attachment on it right here. Then I slide it in like this, right in the top there. So I put the visor up, do that, and that's the best view I've ever had. Well, the side mount was pretty good. This is an amazing view. I'll roll a clip of that in. It's amazing. I love it a lot. It doesn't really hang down into my view, but I can see the little blinking red light. So that is the best view. If I have it down here, then it obstructs my view. So I don't do that. I don't use any mics or anything, but that's pretty much my GoPro setup. I've also, if you've seen my riding at the Doug Dunaway MX Park, I was using this GoPro on the side. No, my friend's GoPro Hero 2. I had that on the side, which isn't stabilized, but your head's kind of a natural gimbal, so I put that on the side, and then I had on my handlebars this GoPro, the Hero 6 Black. I had that on my handlebars, and that was pretty good. I just clapped, and it syncs them. You just line up the peak. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see ya.